Today I'm working on 2017 Toyota Camry. My customer lost the key for his brand new car. So you can see the lights blinking. I turn it on. The light is still blinking because the key is not programmed yet. I just got in the key and I try to start the car. You can see. I show you it's 2017. $10.16. Now I need to open the system for programming. Now the system is open. I take in the key. I put it back up. Turn it on. On this point, the key is ready. Now we have to close. Now we have to close the system for programming. We have to close the programming. How we close the programming? We have to turn it off, the switch to off and on position 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there. Now the key is ready. You can see the car is ready. Back to the road. You can see the light, no blinking anymore. If you lost the key, you can call me to 678-675-3785. Thank you.